Good morning, Hoover community. This is Dr. Costa recording in the main office. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. This is the weekly bulletin for the week of March 25th. We have a short week this week, no school on Friday for Admissions Day, and we follow that Friday off with spring break. So we got some great videos at the end of the broadcast and lots of information to share. So thank you again for joining me. Here are our goals. Here at Hoover, we are striving, reaching for, stretching ourselves so that we can increase our math achievement, our ELA achievement. That's English Language Arts. We also want to improve behavior and reduce suspensions, increase attendance, reduce chronic absenteeism, and increase a sense of belonging. You see on the right column of the screen our goals. So we want to go up 5 points in English Language Arts. We want to go up 5 percentage points in math. And you see the other goals there on the right. We could do it. We are well on our way. Please stay focused. Every day is an opportunity to learn and grow. This Wednesday, we are having success assemblies during our English Language Arts classes. So please check in with your English teacher. You got lots of great information that your teacher will be able to share with you, and we will begin assemblies as quickly as we can. And this is going on through our English Language Arts classes. This Thursday, we achieved our iReady growth goals. So congratulations. This Thursday will be an extended lunch, and we will have a pie celebration and some treats for all of our scholars. So great job. Diagnostic 2 and Diagnostic 3, we achieved our goals. We are getting prepared for our state testing, the SBAC test. So keep working really, really hard. We will also have a celebration if we achieve our goals with the SBAC. I know we could do it. We're well on our way. Congratulations, teachers. Congratulations, students and families. We are transforming Hoover to be a serious academic environment where our students grow and work hard and focus, and we also are respectful. Student reminders, focus on academic growth. If you are going to use the restroom during passing period, during class, make sure that you have a pass and make sure that your phone and technology are put away. The pass to the restroom is not a technology break. So please keep that in your backpack turned off, or keep it in your pocket turned off. Thank you for walking in the hallways. Please, no running, pushing, shoving. Those doors open up sometimes, and they are heavy, heavy doors. Keep your hands to yourself. Please, no play fighting, and no food delivery service. Teacher reminders, we continue to excel at using grade level text, and we assign students tasks that are rigorous. We're increasing our depth of knowledge requirements for our students and allowing our students to do the thinking from the activities and assignments. We're continuing to develop and learn and grow in the areas of Practice It. That's a form of a formative assessment from Prove It's. A reminder that we have our learning target or learning goal posted on our board, and that we are reviewing that with our students daily. We're getting ready for our Quality Core visit, April 17th, where we will have several visitors from central office and the Office of OCIPD, that's Curriculum, Instruction, and Professional Development, to come see all the great things that we're doing here at Hoover. I know we're ready. We've been doing a great job. Our assessment results show it. So thank you very, very much, teachers. And I also want to say thank you, teachers. Your classrooms look amazing for open house. Great job. Here is our schedule for this week. Teachers, there's no meeting on Thursday. That will be the last day of the work week. And then Thursday, we will have an extended lunch to celebrate our achievement on iReady math and reading. Just a reminder that this information is on our digital community bulletin as well. Mrs. Clough has the Homework Help Club Monday and Wednesday from 2:45 to 3:45 in room 101. If you need help with your homework or you just need a quiet place to do your homework, stop by room 101 on Monday and Wednesday, 2:45 to 3:45. Student support team led by the amazing Mrs. Ruesga, Mr. Walter, and Mr. Brown. They are there to help you with any issues you may be having with your peers, with your teachers, with your families. We are here to help, and they lead this team, our student support team. If you're having issues with bullying or you're seeing someone get bullied, they're here to help. Women's History Month, we continue to celebrate all the amazing women in history. I believe we have some more videos honoring Women's History Month. Thank you so much to Mrs. Clough for putting that together and all the student leaders. Stick around, we got some amazing videos and teacher features. Please remember that scholars make dollars and a difference.
I'm ready, you ready, we ready! We hit our goal, so we get to have extended lunch on Friday with popsicles for everyone and pie the admin team. See me, Mrs. Clough, on Wednesday during the success assembly to get your free passes. Cause I'm ready, you ready, we ready!
What is your name and what do you do at Hoover?
My name is Mary Oliver and I'm the Youth Education Specialist at Hoover.
What are some of your hobbies?
I love to dance, I love to read, and I like working with my students.
What is a fun or interesting fact about you?
A fun fact, I do party planning and I like to decorate.
It's Women's History Month. Why is it important to study women's history?
A lot of women are very important. A lot of people don't understand that the things that we do help not only young girls, not only women, but we also can help the young men around too. So it's really important because we can do a lot of things, a lot. Education, we can do construction, we can do postal work, we can do a little bit of everything. So that's why we're really important.
What advice do you have for Hoover students to be successful?
To study hard, focus, pay attention, listen, and if it's something you don't understand, make sure you ask questions so you can pass all your classes.
I want to give a student shout out to Rio, Seahorn, Richard, because they're all my best friends.
Area in the middle. Go other side. Pass. Alan, you gotta pass the ball. Anthony, you got it.
Yes! Nice! Right, oh, right there! There you go, Edith!
I want to give a student shout out to Valerie and Vicky because they're my besties. I'm going to give a student shout out to Landon Mix Morris. Yeah, because we locked in, you know? I want to give a student shout out to Michelle.
What's this right here? Those two cars right there. Those are yours.
Ellie, no.
Heads, shoulders, toes, 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 head, shoulders, knees.
They doing it wrong.
And then, how do you show respect after? There you go.